Hello students, welcome to Anne's classes. Let's do fractions exercise 6b. This is on page number 74. Question 1. Reduce the given fractions to their lowest terms. So the first question given to us is 8 by 10. Now when we have to reduce fractions to the lowest term, we have to divide the numerator and the denominator by a common factor, a number that can divide both these numbers, 8 and 10. So 2 can divide 8 and 10. So let's see the fraction that we get. 2 4s are 8 and 2 5s are 10. So we've got the fraction 4 by 5, which cannot be reduced further. So this is the lowest term. So we have simplified 8 by 10 to 4 by 5. Question 2. Let's divide 50 and 75 by a common factor, a number that can divide both these numbers. The number 5 can divide both these 50 and 70. It can divide both these numbers, but let's think of a bigger number. What about 25? 25 can divide 50 and 75. Okay, now 25 into 2 will give us 50 and 25 into 3 will give us 75. So our lowest term is 2 by 3. Question 3. Let's divide 18 and 81 by the number 9. 9 can divide both. So 9 2s are 18 and 9 9s are 81. So the lowest term is 2 by 9. Next one, we have 40 by 120. Now before we divide this, there's one thing that we can do. We can take off the 0 which is in the numerator and cancel the 0 which is there in the denominator. So our numbers now are 4 by 12. Let's divide both these numbers by 4 itself. We can divide both by 4. 4 1s are 4 and 4 3s are 12. So the simplified fraction is 1 by 3. The last one is 105 divided by 70. Let's divide both by 5. That's an easy one, isn't it? Let's divide both by 5. Okay, now let's divide 105 by 5 and see what we get. Let's do short division. 5 2s are 10, 5 1s are 5. So that's 21. So 5 into 21 will give us 105. And 5 into what is 70? 5 into 14 will give us 70. Now we have a fraction 21 by 14 which can still be reduced. So both these are in the tables of 7. Okay, both can be divided by 7. So 7 3s are 21 and 7 2s are 14. Now we have a fraction which is in the lowest term and which cannot be reduced further. Question 2. State whether true or false. Okay, now we're going to use the same system of reducing the fractions to the lowest term. Now the first fraction is 2 by 5, which is already in the lowest term. The second fraction is 10 by 15. Let's see if we can reduce that to the lowest term and what we get. So I'm taking 10 by 15 here. I'm dividing both by 5. Now I get 5 2s are 10 and 5 3s are 15. So I've got 2 by 3. So here the fractions are 2 by 5 and 2 by 3 and the statement says they are equal. So is this true? It's not true because they are not equal. So the first statement is false. Question 2. 5 by 6 is already in the lowest term. So let's reduce 35 by 42. Both are divisible by 7. So let's divide both by 7. 7 5s are 35 and 7 6s are 42. So we've got 5 by 6. So 35 by 42 has become 5 by 6. And the other fraction which is already given in the question is also 5 by 6. And the statement says they are equal, and this is true because they are equal. So this statement is true. Question 3. 5 by 4 and 4 by 5, as you can see, are not equal. So this statement is false. Question 4. We have 7 by 9, and the other side we have a mixed fraction. So let's convert it. Let's convert this to a fraction. 7 ones are 7 plus 1, 8. So we've got 8 by 7. So the two fractions are 7 by 9 and 8 by 7, and the statement says they are equal, which is not true because they are not equal. So this statement is false. Next one. The first fraction is given 9 by 7, and the second one is again a mixed number. Let's convert it. 7 ones are 7 plus 1, 8 by 7. So let me write that again. 9 by 7 and 8 by 7 are the two fractions, and the statement says they are equal. As you can see, they are not equal, so this statement is also false. Question 3. Which is greater? Now when you have two unlike fractions, that is if the denominators are different, we have to first change them to like fractions and then see which is greater. So to find the like fractions, we have to first get the LCM of the denominators. So the denominators are 5 and 3. Let's find the LCM of 5 and 3. 3. I bring down 5, it's not divisible. 3 ones are 3. I continue with 5. 5 ones are 5. So my LCM will be 3 into 5, which is 15. Okay, so now let me write down these questions. 3 by 5 or 2 by 3, which is greater. Now we have found the LCM, which is 15. I'm going to use that LCM as my new denominator for both the fractions. So this way we're going to get like fractions. Now 5 into 3 is 15. That's how I got this 15. 5 threes are 15. So if I multiply 5 by 3, I need to multiply the numerator also by 3. So 3 threes are 9. Let's go to the next fraction. 3 into 5 is 15. That's how my denominator became 15. So now I multiply my numerator also by 5, since I multiplied 3 by 5. 2 5s are 10. Okay, now let's look at the two numerators, because now we have like fractions. So the greater numerator is the greater fraction. So 10 by 15 is the greater fraction, which is the second fraction here. 10 by 15 is the second fraction, which is here. It is the second fraction. So let's write our answer. 2 by 3 is greater. 2 by 3 is greater. Question 2. Two unlike fractions again. Let's find the LCM. 9 and 4 are the denominators. We're going to find the LCM starting with 2. I bring down 9. 2 2s are 4. I'm going to use 2 again. Bring down 9. 2 1s are 2. Now I move to 3. 3 3s are 9. I continue with 3. 3 1s are 3. Now let's find the LCM. 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. 2 2s are 4, 3 3s are 9, so 4 9s are 36. So our LCM is 36. I'm going to use that as the common denominator. So let's write down the questions. 5 by 9 and 3 by 4. My new denominator is 36 for both the fractions. Okay, now 9 into what is 36? 9 4s are 36. So I'm going to multiply 5 also by 4. 5 4s are 20. Let me go to the next fraction. 4 into what is 36? 4 9s are 36. So I'm going to multiply 3 also by 9. 3 9s are 27. So now we have like fractions. Look at the numerators. The greater numerator is 27. So this is the greater fraction, which is actually this one, 3 by 4. So what is my answer? 3 by 4 is greater. So let me write that down. 3 by 4 is greater. Question 3. 11 by 14 or 26 by 35. So let's find the LCM of the denominators, 14 and 35. Starting with 2, 2 sevens are 14. I bring down 35 as it is. Now I move to 7. 7 ones are 7. 7 fives are 35. Now I can move to 5. 5 1. I bring down the 1. 5 ones are 5. My LCM is 2 into 5 into 7. 2 fives are 10. 10 sevens are 70. The LCM is 70. So let's use this as the common denominator for both. So my question is 11 by 14 and 26 by 35. So now my denominators have become 70. Now 14 into 5 will give me 70. So let me multiply 11 also by 5. I get 55. Moving to the next fraction, 35 into 2 will give me 70. So I'm going to multiply 26 also by 2. 26 2s are 52. So I get 52 by 70 here. Now they are like fractions, and look at the numerator. 55 is greater. So this is the greater fraction, which is this one. So my answer is 11 by 14 is greater. This time we're going to see which is smaller. We follow the same method, finding the LCM of the denominators 8 and 5. 2 4s are 8. I bring down 5. 2 2s are 4. Bring down 5. 2 1s are 2. I bring down 5. 5. Now the LCM will be, count all the 2's, there are 3. 2 into 2 into 2 into 5. 2 2s are 4. 4 2s are 8. 8 into 5 is 40. 8 5s are 40. So I can use 40 as my common denominator. So the two fractions are 3 by 8 and 4 by 5. Now my common denominator is 40. And now I'm going to get my new numerators. 8 into 5 is 40. So I multiply 3 also by 5. 3 5s are 15. Moving on to the next fraction, 5 8s are 40. So I multiply 4 also by 8. 4 8s are 32. As you can see, now we have like fractions. 32 is the greater numerator and 15 is the smaller one. So let's put our sign there. This time we are looking for the smaller fraction and this is a smaller one. So my answer is 3/8 is smaller. Question 2. 8/15 or 4/7. Let's find the LCM of the denominators 15 and 7. Starting with 3. 3 5s are 15. I bring down 7. I go on to 5. 5 1s are 5. I bring down 7. I go on to 7, 1 and 1. So my LCM is 3 into 5 into 7. 3 5s are 15. 15 into 7 is 105. So my LCM is 105. So let me start this. 8/15 or 4/7, which is a smaller one. Okay, now my LCM is 105, which I'm going to use as a common denominator, 105. 15 into 7 is 105. So I'm going to multiply 8 also by 7. 8 sevens are 56. Let me go on to the next one. 7 into 15 is 105 and 4 into 15 is 60. So now we have two like fractions and 56 is smaller than 60. That means this fraction 8/15 is smaller than 4/7. Let me write that down. 8/15 is smaller. Question 3. 7/26 or 10/39. Let's find the LCM. 26 and 39. Let's start with 2. 2 into what will give us 26? 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, 13. I bring down 39. Now I go on to 3. 13 is not divisible. 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9. Both my numbers are 13. That means I can divide this by 13 itself. 13 1s are 13, 13 1s are 13. So my LCM equals 2 into 3 into 13. 2 3s are 6. 6 into 13 is 78. So that is my LCM which I'm going to use. So the fractions are 7/26 and 10/39. And my new denominator is going to be 78. For both the fractions, it's going to be 78. Now 26 into what will give me 78? 26 into 3 is equal to 78. So 7 into 3, 7 3s are 21. Let's move on to the next fraction. 39 into 2 will give me 78. So 10 into 2 is 20. 10 2s are 20. So I have two fractions, 21/78 and 20/78. As you can see, 20 is smaller than the other fraction. So this is the smaller fraction. So let's write the answer. 10/39 is smaller. We'll stop with that for now, children. In our next video, we will continue with the remaining questions. Thank you, children.